in Barcelona, and we're sampling all of their delicacies, and I'm about to eat a razor clam, which Christina told me about, and I'd never heard about before. It looks delicious. It has some butter in it. This is a very good sign. Okay. Look at this beautiful shell. Beautiful, lovely. So we're just going to attempt to do what I think one is supposed to do. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Delicately, lovely. Very good.
Good?
Get your razor clam on.
Different flavor?
Yeah, it's good. It's very good. I like it. Here's to Barcelona.
Here's the tiny kitchen. Balcony. Dining room. Love nest. No, I'm just kidding.
Dad's trying to hit on me.
Bathroom. An elevator, that's all.
Welcome to Barcelona! Yay!
What'd you get?
Some chocolate bread. Here we go. Basically, it's bread and chocolate, which are two of the best things in the world. Good job, good job.
We are on the search for a meat cone.
Meat cone. We will be victorious. My hair looks great today. We found the meat cones. It's very exciting. We have a variety of meats. I was really excited about the variety. So this is one, and this is two, and this is three, and then there's some cheeses, and I don't know what they are, but I'm prepared for them all to be delicious.
You found a variety.
I did, thank you. I was very proud. Nad walked with me all over the market to find it. She's very nice. Very meaty. Very good. Go meat cone.
So well, this is Casa Mila, Mila's house. That's popularly known as La Pedrera.
We're just waiting in line,
Chilling.
patiently,
Like patient Americans should.
in the bike path.
Guess whose birthday it is today?
That's mine.
It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Nad.
And today I get to go in here.
Happy birthday